In this video, I gonna show you how to create a websites like this online store or a e-commerce website in the simple way. I gonna show you how to create the websites. You can add to cart and you can do the order and you can do the UPI payments, everything. Just follow my steps. You have to watch till the end. I will tell you everything. Don't miss out the steps. Let's see you in the video. Before that, we have to search here Hostinger and we have to go to here hostinger.in and we have to purchase here premium plan of 149 rupees per month. We have to pay some money for the hosting compulsory. If you're not in this, then you have to pay anywhere. You have to pay for the hosting. There is a compulsory, as I will show here my details, and we will secure it. After that, fill this all and purchase. After purchasing the Hostinger plan, then you can see like this type of the screen. Then you have to simply click here on the add website, and if you want to create with the WordPress, you have to click on the WordPress. As in this video we are going to use the WordPress. If you want to use the AI, you can select this, but we are going to use the WordPress. After that, use the password as I am using your password and click on the generate password. After that, click on next and we are opening the online store, and next, and you have to select here the template. As I am selecting here the template, as you can see here, select it. And if you want to untick this, you can do, but I will do select and I will use the temporary domain. If you are using for the first time the domain, it will give for the free domain for you. After that, you can see like this type of interface. Then click on the WooCommerce and click on the home page, and you have to set up all these things. And after that, click on the products. Here you can see our all products are ready. Only I have added the pizza, burger, and I will show you the plugins all are okay. If you will suffer from like this type of screen, for that we have uploaded a recently video. You can see the solution of that. Okay, now our site is ready. Now we are going to see our site, and our site is ready. Click on the store. Here I have not uploaded the burger pizza videos. Just a second, I will do the all setup. Okay, cool. Our setup is ready in front of us. Just click here in the sky blue and click on the visit site, and you can see our site is ready in front of us. Now it is showing like this. I have used the another template and the domain. You can see here, simply add to cart, and after that go to checkout and click on the view cart, and here you can apply the coupon code for the getting discount and click on the proceed to checkout, and you can fill here all the form. After that, click on the place order. Here your order will be confirmed. If you want to know that how to use the UPI payments, then we have uploaded a new video. Here you can check it. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more video guys. Thank you. See you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.